Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Gemini when your chat history or old prompts aren't showing. So first, make sure you're signed into the same Google account you used previously. Then tap your profile picture and verify the account currently connected to your Gemini. Next, check whether Gemini's activity or history settings are enabled for your account. And depending on your account and settings, Gemini activity may be managed through your Google account. If you're using the mobile app, completely close the Gemini app and then reopen it. You can also try restarting your phone and check for an available Gemini or Google app update. And if you're using Gemini in a browser, refresh the page and then try signing out and signing back in again. Also, you need to remember that if an older conversation was permanently deleted, then it may not be recoverable. So start by checking the correct account, activity settings, app updates, and Gemini's current history option. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.